This one-dimensional collision simulation lets us change the collision type, drag the carts to new starting positions, drag the pink velocity arrows, and adjust the masses with the plus and minus buttons. In this first setup, I move the carts apart, point the arrows toward each other, and choose a starting mass combination so the later comparisons are easy to read. Here is the elastic case. Watch the blue and green carts during impact, then check the graph. The total momentum line stays constant, and in an elastic collision, the kinetic energy is conserved as well, even though each cart changes its own momentum. Now the mode changes to inelastic. The overall momentum is still conserved, but the final motion is different. After collision, the carts separate with less kinetic energy than before, so this scene is useful for contrasting momentum conservation with kinetic energy loss. Next comes the perfectly inelastic case. After impact, both carts move together with a common final velocity. This is the clearest example for showing that momentum can remain conserved even when the carts stick together and the kinetic energy decreases. The graph controls let us focus on one line at a time. By turning cart 1, cart 2, and the total on or off, students can compare how the individual momenta change while the total line remains steady through the collision. In the final custom case, I build a fresh setup by changing masses, positions, and starting velocities again. This is the pattern students should use on their own. Predict first, run the simulation, and then justify what stayed the same and what changed by referring to both the cart motion and the graph.